Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reach gamma state. Gamma brainwaves represent the fastest brainwave frequency, typically ranging from 40 to 100 Hz. This powerful state is associated with peak performance, heightened perception, and intense focus. Achieving gamma can significantly enhance your problem-solving abilities and improve memory recall, signifying a state of simultaneous processing across multiple brain regions. It's a truly remarkable state of mind to cultivate for optimal cognitive function. So, why should you aim for the gamma state? Well, the benefits are quite compelling. Achieving this state can significantly boost your cognitive function and mental clarity, helping you think more sharply. It also promotes a sense of heightened awareness and profound insight, allowing for deeper understanding. Many individuals report increased creativity and improved learning capabilities, making it easier to absorb new information and generate innovative ideas. This brainwave state truly supports advanced information processing and rapid thought. To begin your journey towards gamma state, it is crucial to prepare your environment and mind. Start by finding a quiet space, free from any distractions, to help you concentrate fully. Practice mindfulness meditation for about 10 to 15 minutes each day. This helps calm your mind and improve focus. Also, engage in simple focused attention exercises like observing a single object. Remember, adequate sleep and good nutrition are foundational for optimal brain function and brainwave activity. Now, let's explore some advanced techniques to actively induce gamma waves. One effective method is using binaural beats at a gamma frequency, typically around 40 Hz, which you can experience with headphones. Additionally, engage in complex problem-solving tasks that demand intense mental effort, as this naturally stimulates gamma activity. Practicing advanced meditation techniques that focus on whole brain coherence can also be very beneficial. Finally, regular physical exercise, especially high-intensity interval training, has been shown to support gamma brainwave production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.